Good morning, class. Who wants to lead a prayer? Yes, Miss Anne. Amen. So, before you sit down, can you pick a piece of paper under your chair and arrange it properly, huh? Okay, thank you. So, where's Mr. Secretary? Okay, Mr. Secretary, we have an absent today? Nothing. Okay, wala. Wow, very good in this class, ha? Okay. Our topic today is constructing data in a frequency distribution table. So, drill muna tayo. Direction, count each object according to their characteristic. So, anong napapansin niyo sa picture? Yes, Anna? Okay. Yes, tama. According to Miss Anna, yung nasa picture daw ay puro sinusuot or ginagamit. Okay. To the next is we have a table. Kung mapapansin nyo, sinabi ni Miss Anna is meron shade, shoe, cup, and long sleeve, and pants in the first column. In the second column is tally, and the third column is frequency. So, sino nakakaalala sa inyo kung ano ibig sabihin ng tally? Yes, Mr. Kenny. Very good. Oh, yes, Miss Kim. Tama. So, according to Mr. Kenny, yung tally daw is linya. Linya na ginagamit sa pagbilang. Ganon din yung kay Miss Kim. So, sa frequency naman, okay, Miss Kim. Tama. So, yung tally is a line of counting, and the frequency naman daw is the number of the tallies. Yung bilang ng tallies in the numeral. Okay, in the number form. So, next, ilan ang shade sa picture? Bilangan natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kung 5 ang tally natin, ilan ang frequency? 5. Very good. Sa shoe naman natin, ilan ang shoe sa picture? Yes, Miss Annie. 5 also. And then, sa frequency is also 5. Sa cup, yes, Lani. Miss Lani. Okay, 5. Sa long sleeve, ilan ang long sleeve sa picture? Yes, Abby. 3. And also sa pants ay ilan? 3 also. So, ilan ang frequency natin? Kabuuhan o number of the object. Ilan? Yes, Mr. said. 21. So, n is equal to 21. So, next. Kayo naman ang sasagot neto. Direction, sort and count the animals based on their species. So, ano nakikita nyo dyan? Yes, we have a dog, cat, frog, giraffe. So, we have a 4 kind of animals. So, okay. Miss D, answer. And then, after your answering is explain this how you get the answer. Okay, explain. Very good. So next, specific learning objective. The learner should be able to define frequency and distribution table, enumerate the steps in constructing frequency distribution table, and third is arrange data using frequency distribution table, and the fourth is appreciate the importance of organizing data in real-life situation. So we have a fourth step in constructing frequency distribution table. First is determine the range. So, paano ba naikuha ang range? Highest score minus lowest score, or H minus L is equal to range, right? Okay. Step 2. Determine the number of classes. Okay, depend on the number of scores of or data. So, minsan kasi given na ang step 2, yung number of classes. Okay, step 3. Determine the size of interval. So, paano natin siya makukuha? So, class interval is equal to range, which is the step 1, and divided by of class interval, which is a step 2, is equal to class interval or class size of interval. So, step 4. Add the class width to the starting point to get the second lower limit, then enter the upper class limit. So, i-add natin yung class width sa second lower class limit tapos sa upper class limit. So, makuha natin siya sa table later. So, ma-apply din natin. Then, step 5 is represent each score by tally and count the total frequency of each data. So, after nating matali, makakount natin the frequency of each data. Makukuha natin yung total of frequency. Okay. So, constructing frequency distribution table. Who wants to read the frequency? Yes, Miss L. Okay. So, the frequency is the sum of the tallies of a class. So, yung frequency is the yung tally, the number of the tally is, example, the line is 5 and then the number is, or frequency is 5. Okay. Nakukuha natin siya sa tallies. So, frequency distribution table. Yes, Miss Joe. Mr. Joe. Okay, organizing the data. So, ano nga ba ang frequency distribution? Yes, ang frequency distribution is yung loob ng box. Matatawag natin siyang frequency distribution kasi siya yung organized ng data or napapaloob ng data. So, lower class limit is the smallest data value that can be included in the class. Okay. Lower class limit is ito yung pinakamababang value ng data. Then, upper class limit, ito yung kabaliktaran naman. Ito naman yung pinakamataas ng value ng data. So, class boundaries is no gap in the frequency distribution. So, kanina na sinabi ko, connected dito yung upper limit and lower limit. So, class mark. Class mark is midpoint of the classes or ito yung average. Paano ba natin makukuha ang class mark? So, yung class mark natin is yung lower limit, which is connected in the class boundaries, lower limit plus upper limit, and divided by 2. Makukuha mo na yung class mark. So, class interval, ang class interval po ay isang width. Okay, difference between two consecutive lower class limit. Okay, for example, direction, construct a frequency distribution table given the set of the data using 6 classes. So, katulad na sinabi ko kanina, given na yung step 2, which is 6 classes. This is the data or frequency distribution data or table. So, what is our step 1? Okay. Highest number minus lower number. What is our higher number? 99. Very good. Minus lower number. What is our lower or lowest number? 70. Okay. 99 minus 70 is 29. Very good. So, our step 2 is, okay, Miss Anne, 6. Paano ulit nakuha yung step 2? Yes, given na ang ating number of classes. Nasa step 2. So, size of the interval is step 3. So, interval is equals to range divided by class interval. Or class size yan. Class size. Is equals to, what is our range? 29 divided by 6 is our number of classes. So, is equal to 4.83. Okay? Round off natin is equal 5. So, our interval or class interval is 5. Okay, itatali na, ano na natin siya sa table. Class interval. 5, diba? Okay. 70 is our lower number. Plus 5. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. So, 70 to 74. Next is 75, 79. Sunod, 80 to 84. And 85 to 89. Then, 90 to 94. And 95 to 99. So, ilan yung 70 to 74 sa ating data? Okay. 6 is tally and 6 frequency. 75 to 79, 4. 80 to 84, 13. Wow. 85 to 89, 9. Okay. 90 to 94, 5. And 95 to 99 is 3. So, next, we proceed to class boundaries. To our lower limit and to upper limit. So, the 69 is mamaminus natin siya ng 5. Kasi nga, 5 yung ating interval. Right? 670 is 69.5. Then, add 5 or 0.5 to 74. 69.5, 74.5. 69.5 plus 74.5 divided by 2 is our class mark is 72. Okay, 74.5 plus 79.5 divided by 2 is 77. 79.5 plus 84.5 divided by 2 is 82. 84.5 plus 89.5 divided by 2 is 87. Then 89.5 plus 94.5 divided by 2 is 92. And then 94.5 plus 99.5 is divided by 2 is 97. Okay, nagets ba? Okay, so punta na tayo sa ating groupings. Okay, groupings na. Okay. So, may group na ba kayo? Okay, gamitin na lang natin yung group ninyo in other subject. Okay. Punta dito yung tatlong representative ng tatlong grupo. Okay. I'll give you 10 minutes to answer the question. Done? Okay, done. Kala ko done na eh. So, this is, papakita ko muna sa inyo ang ating Rubik's. Yan ang ating Rubik's. Okay, next. Okay. Okay, done? Done na ba? Okay. Okay, very good. So, next, we have a oral recitation. Naintindihan ba? Nagigets ba? May tanong ba? Wala? Naintindihan? Okay. So, blank is the difference between highest to lowest. Blank is the difference between highest to lowest. Yes, Miss Anne. Range? Tama ba? Range? Tama, range. Wow, very good. Next is particular value appears in a data set. Blank is a particular value appears in a data set. Yes, Miss Kimi. Okay. Frequency. Very good. Okay, blank is a table that shows that frequency for the categories. Blank is a table that shows that frequency for the categories. Okay, sa likod, si Mr. Kalel. Okay, frequency distribution. Tama. Frequency distribution is a table that shows that frequencies for the categories. Next, the blank is the width of each class. The blank is the width of each class. Oh, sige. Kay Miss na, ano tayo? Miss Nati. Nathaniel Charis. Okay. The class interval. Okay, very good. The class interval is the width of each class. Remember, guys, lalabas to sa exam or quiz natin. Last is the average of the class limits are called blank. The average of the class limits are called blank. Miss Beth, class mark. Very good, class mark. Okay? So, we have an assignment. May assignment po tayo before end our class. Okay, can you... Oh, pwede nyo picture. Okay, sige, picture na nyo na. Or I'll send you sa GC natin. Okay. Thank you, class. Okay, thank you.